Hi, I'm Chris Davies, head chef here at Hartnett Holder Co, which is situated inside Limewood Hotel. The dish we're going to cook today is a Portland Crab Tart. This is part of our sort of starter selection on the menu here. So the reason we use British Lion eggs is because obviously it's all tested against salmonella, and they have this great unique passport system which enables you to trace the eggs back to the farm. So it's a really good thing. So for this recipe you'll need 5 British Lion branded eggs, 75 grams of milk, 500 grams of double cream, 200 grams of brown crab meat, 400 grams of picked white crab, 300 grams of celery which has been finely diced and pickled, 50 grams of chives, 50 grams of picked dill and picked chervil. We're going to blind bake 10 tarts to begin with the puff pastry, and then they're going to be weighed down so you get the flakiness of the puff pastry but it doesn't overly puff. And then we're going to take our British Lion branded eggs into the bowl with all the other ingredients at the same time, so the milk, the cream, the brown crab meat, and blend this together and season it. And then we're going to pour that mix into the tart cases and bake those in the oven at 160 degrees for about 12 minutes. We're looking for a nice wobble on that. When it's ready, we take them out of the oven. We let them cool slightly, and then we mix our fresh white crab meat with pickled celery, chives, lemon zest, lemon juice, salt, black pepper, and then we're going to dress that on top of the crab tart and finish with some chervil and dill. When we dress the white crab on top of the crab tart, that's like a finished item. Then that just goes onto the plate. So there we have your Portland Crab Tart with fine herbs.